Have you ever wanted to work with people from all over the world? Or maybe you're looking for a way to start your own business and hire talent from anywhere in the world. If so, then you need to check out Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy to hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. With Deel, you can hire employees in any country, regardless of their location. Pay employees in their local currency using Deel's global payroll network. Manage employee benefits and taxes all in one place. Provide employees with a seamless onboarding experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Deel account and start using their platform to hire and pay employees from all over the world. Step 1. Sign up for a Deel account. To get started, go to the Deel website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and company name. Step 2. Choose your plan. Deel offers a variety of plans to choose from, depending on your needs. If you're just starting out, the starter plan is a good option. For larger companies, the growth or enterprise plans may be more appropriate. Step 3. Add your employees. Once you've created your account, you can start adding employees. To do this, click on the Employees tab and then click on the Add Employee button. You'll need to provide your employee's name, email address, job title, and salary. Step 4. Set up payroll. Once you've added your employees, you can set up payroll. This involves setting up your company's bank account and providing Deel with your payroll information. Step 5. Pay your employees. Once your payroll is set up, you can start paying your employees. Deel will automatically calculate the correct amount of taxes and withholdings for each employee. Step 6. Manage employee benefits. Deel offers a variety of employee benefits, such as health insurance, dental insurance, and life insurance. You can set up these benefits for your employees through the Deel platform. Step 7. Track employee performance. Deel provides you with a dashboard where you can track employee performance. This includes information such as employee attendance, productivity, and feedback. Deel is a powerful platform that makes it easy to hire and pay employees from all over the world. If you're looking for a way to expand your business or attract top talent, then Deel is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit their website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to grow your business.